everybody, how are you? My name is Shishiri. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new topic. That topic's name is water, rain, water, go away. Another because rain is falling. The sky is also clouded today. That's why rain is falling into the cloud. And now I'm turning with today. That place name is Sardis. This card is so much essential for our life and for our livelihood because it's our necessity, it's our commodity source. All card they are green because in this bill they have 200 bigha in harvesting in this field because farmers are harvesting into the party. There are fertilizer and water and irrigation day by day, after by day, and this time it will be transition for foods, and this food is our necessity commodities in our daily life. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Next time I will connect with you very good content. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.